In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install Spotify on your LG Smart TV. So you can install Spotify app and then start streaming music on the TV. So the first thing you need to do is obviously make sure you have internet connection on the TV. Secondly, make sure you're signed in with your LG account. And then once you do all that, simply go to the home page by pressing the home button on the remote, this button right here. That takes you to the home page. And on the home page, follow this tile, or rather row of tiles at the bottom until you get to apps. Click on that, and that should open the App Store for LG webOS. And once the App Store opens, simply go to the search function at the top there, click on it, and then type Spotify. And then select search. From the results, you should see the Spotify app. Click on it, and it's going to take you to the page for Spotify where you can actually see the details. So what you want to do is simply select the install button, and that starts downloading and installing Spotify on your LG Smart TV. So all you have to do now is wait. Once it's done, it will tell you the application has been installed, and you can launch it from here by simply clicking on launch. Or if you go home, you can find it in the list of apps installed on your TV. So here's Spotify. Simply click on it to launch it. And then go ahead and log in. So to log into your Spotify, you have options. You can either log in with a code at the bottom there. You can log in with your username or password, or you can simply go to your phone and launch Spotify. And then with Spotify launched, tap on this button right here. So maybe just play a song, and you should see this button right here, this one. So tap on it, and as long as your phone and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you should be able to find your LG TV there. So select the TV, and that's going to log in to Spotify automatically. And that's it. So now you can use Spotify, you can scroll, play music, and do everything you will do on Spotify on your mobile devices. And that's basically how you can install Spotify on your LG Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.